Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about Python tokens. Basically, Python tokens are small units of programming language. Python supports there are four different types of tokens that are keywords, identifiers, literals, and operators. So now here in this session, in this video, I will discuss only definitions of the keyword, definitions of the Python tokens. In my next videos, clearly I will discuss about keywords, identifiers, literals, and operators. And the first one is keywords. So keywords are the reserved words in Python. A keyword is a reserved word in computer language that has a specific meaning. Keywords are not allowed to be used as identifiers. They are used to define, keywords are used to define the Python language's syntax or Python language structure. So that is the definition of keyword. And second one is identifier or variable. So variables are also called as identifiers. An identifier is a name which is used to identify a variable name, function name, class name, module name, or other object. An identifier starts with a letter, that is uppercase letters or lowercase letters, or an underscore followed by 0 or more letters, underscore, and digits. That is the definition of an identifier. The next one is literals. A literal is a constant. A literal is a number or string that appears directly in a program. And operators. Operators are tokens responsible to perform operation in an expression. The variables on which operation is applied are called operands. And, and another Python tokens are delimiters. Python uses the different types of symbols and the symbol combinations as a delimiters in expressions, lists, dictionaries, various aspects of statements and strings. And symbols are square brackets, parentheses, flower brackets at the rate, minus equal, plus equal, star equal, etc. So these are the delimiters and punctuators. Punctuators are the symbols that are used in Python to organize the structures, statements, and expressions. Some of the punctuators are list, square brackets, parentheses, flower brackets, at the rate, etc. So these are the Python tokens. So now here in this video, I discussed only definitions of Python tokens. In my next videos, clearly I am going to discuss about keywords, identifiers, literals, and operators.